Hello everyone, today we're diving into shocking moments when people messed with the wrong cops. Watch closely as these dashcam clips capture instant karma in action, choices have consequences, and the law always catches up.
Hey! Jake, drop the knife! Drop the knife!
What seemed like a simple family dispute call turned in an instant. When the suspect charged at the police with a knife, ignoring all commands, he no longer had control over the situation. Defying the law can happen in seconds, but the consequences are always clear.
You do have an ID? Can I see it? I haven't been here before, so. What's your first name? I have a first name. Me? I just need, let me grab your name real quick. What's your middle name? Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Ma'am! Ma'am, get back! Ma'am! Start! Get back here! Get back here! Ma'am, get downstairs! Ma'am! Downstairs!
What's up? Okay, where's
Things escalated within mere seconds outside the store. Officers arrived after receiving information about a suspect attacking someone. Commands were repeatedly ignored, and the moment the suspect charged at the police closed the door on a wrong choice he had forced upon himself.
Can you open my book bag? Yes, it's picked up.
What do you need, ma'am? Alright, you guys want to take it from her?
I need to get away. I need to get over here, please. I need to get over here, please.
He didn't get you, did he?
I don't know. I don't.
Do me a favor, can you come down and talk to us? Can you come down and talk to us?
After a 911 call reporting a suspect threatening people with an axe, officers arrived. They tried to negotiate, but he appeared holding the axe. Every order to drop the weapon was ignored, and Ramboros suddenly charged at the police. Confronting the law only made things worse.
She's not out here right now, I promise you. Told her to stay out front. So she's not here, so you can come down and talk to us. You gonna come down? Back away. Dude, put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Hey! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! No! Put it down! Put the weapon down! Put it down! Put it down!
Hey, Brian. Brian.
What started as a suicide call quickly escalated when Brian Dungan suddenly charged at officers with a knife in the basement. Commands to drop the weapon were ignored, and even a taser had no effect. Defying the law only made the situation more serious.
Sir, drop that knife! Drop the knife! I'm gonna shoot you! Drop the knife! Sir, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Hey, where is he?
He in my mother's house.
It began as a call over what seemed like a minor family dispute, but when police arrived, things quickly spiraled out of control. He held a piece of wood and taunted the officers. Despite his mother's attempts to calm him, he charged at them, forcing the officers to fire.
Back away, back away. Get out of my line of sight. Hey, come here. Drop the weapon, drop the weapon. Get on the ground, drop the weapon. Drop the weapon. Drop the weapon. Drop the weapon. Drop it. Drop it. Drop the weapon. Drop it. Shots fired, shots fired.
We got called to come check on you. They were concerned.
There's nobody concerned.
What appeared to be a routine check quickly turned chaotic in minutes when Melanie Udell suddenly accelerated and charged directly at Officer Matthew James. A reckless move, and the price had to be paid immediately.
They keep doing that. You know what? I did that in Nebraska with my children. I don't think that somebody... No, you're not.
Turn off the car. Turn off the car.
No.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
When officers arrived at the apartment, their goal was to control the escalating tension. But despite negotiation efforts, the suspect ignored commands and attacked people inside. Officers had to breach the door, and she even attempted to attack them with a knife. Her actions had immediate consequences.
Put the knife down! Drop the knife! Put the knife down! Drop the knife! I said drop the knife! Get back! Get back! Hold on! Get back! Get back!
The family disturbance quickly escalated when officers arrived on the scene. Initially, they heard arguing and yelling inside, but the situation turned dangerous when Madeline Miller appeared with a knife. She charged at officers, ignoring orders to stop. Faced with an imminent threat, police had to fire, ending the chaotic moment in an instant.
Shots fired! Send the EMS! Come outside! Come outside! Come outside! Get outside! No! Hey! Hey! Drop the knife! Hey! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Someone's having shots fired! Shots fired! Send the EMS!
Scott, put it down. Scott, put it down.
Wellington officers arrived after receiving reports of vandalism and assault. The situation escalated when Scott Baker ran out with a knife. Don't challenge the law. Recklessness always comes with an immediate price.
Okay, so we can render aid. We want to render as much aid as we can, okay? Yes, yes. They're going to give me a towel and hold pressure, okay, Mr. Scott?
Officers on patrol discovered Jose Delgado Pinto pointing a gun at them. When they stopped the vehicle, he fired, escalating the situation. He then fled, discarded the gun, and resisted arrest, forcing officers to use a taser. Resisting and confronting police is never a smart choice. A serious altercation occurred. Witnesses said a man in a blue shirt grabbed an officer's gun and fired. When officers approached, the suspect appeared from the second floor holding a knife. Despite repeated orders, Harrison charged at them, escalating the situation. He would immediately pay the price for his actions. After receiving an emergency call about a dangerous assault, officers arrived quickly. Despite repeated commands, Edmondson advanced with a knife, forcing officers to use force. Resistance only made things worse.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! No! Drop the knife!
Get gloves!
Come on. Stay with me. Come on. Please.
Come on. Someone get gloves, please.
Show me your hands.
Grover Beach officers arrived after a report of a man threatening others with a gun. Confronting police with a weapon only hastened the outcome.
Put your arms up now. I don't want to shoot you. I don't want to. Shots fired. Everybody okay? Are you okay?
These moments show the consequences of crossing the line with the law. What do you think was justice served? Have you ever witnessed something like this in real life? Share your thoughts below.